For this video, Earth and Moon sent over this really cool grounding mat. This is perfect for those looking to reconnect with Earth's energy. So whether you're into wellness, quality sleep, or relaxation, you're gonna wanna check this out. So first off, it comes really well packaged in this tube. It has everything that you need to get started for the grounding mat experience. All the little accessories that you're gonna actually plug into the mat. Now to plug it in, you're gonna see a button up in the corner. You're gonna take the grounding cord that it comes with and just snap it right into there. And then you're gonna take the outlet adapter, just plug it right into your outlet. And you can see that the grounding cord just plugs right into the top and you're all set, ready to go. Now the cord does have a nice length to it, so if you are using this in bed and your outlet's a little bit further away, you're gonna be able to stretch that out just to be able to reach it. Now as for the grounding mat itself, it's really soft. It's a thinner material, but the stitching on here is really well done. You can tell that it's gonna hold up. So whether you're using this for yourself, your kids, or even a pet, you know that it's gonna last a long time. And you're gonna wanna use this for at least 30 minutes a day, just being able to have skin contact on here. So whether you're standing on it with your feet, or if you are doing yoga, you wanna place this over your yoga mat, you're able to do that as well. And like I said earlier, it's great for kids. If your kids are just sitting in front of the TV or doing their homework, you can just set them right on top of here, make sure their skin's touching it. This is also great for pets, so if you do have an older dog and just want that energy transfer, you can just lay this on the ground, let them lay on top of here. And the great thing about this grounding mat is that it's really easy to clean up. You're just gonna wanna wipe it with a damp cloth. And when you are done using it, you can just roll it up, put it back in the tube, and it's gonna be ready to go for next time. So overall, if you're into grounding and looking for a really high quality grounding mat that comes with everything that you need to get you started, this one right here by Earth and Moon's a great choice. Thanks for watching.